What's up, everybody? We've got our upgrade for our moto trailer right now. Nice little bench that I found on Facebook Marketplace. This guy makes them, ships them out to you, and they're not bad. You know, a lot cheaper than some of the other manufacturers that makes them. I think I was like $375 on this. Wasn't crazy about the quality of it. You know, it could have been 45s on the corners, close them out a little bit. When I received it, it was broken. The actual, I'll show you right here, the center post right here was broken out. Looks like when they welded it, they just didn't have it hot enough and it just didn't penetrate. So in shipping, shippers are horrible on stuff. So someone probably stepped on it and just popped it out. It's got pop riveted hinges. Now when I ordered this, I was pretty specific. I needed it mounting point at 20 inches. And when I received it, it was at 18 inches. So I couldn't mount it because of my E-track. I took pictures of it, was very specific. The mounting, highest point of the mounting is 20 inches. So the lowest point of the hinge has to mount to the wall at 20 inches. So from 20 inches up, that's our mounting space. So unfortunately it came, it was too low. He sent me on a new one. He went 2 1/4. So now it's about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch higher than it should be. But it is what it is. That's a little tall. We'll see how the boys sit on it. But we're gonna get it mounted up here. Just gonna use a couple of self-tappers, screw it in there and call it good and see how it works this weekend. All right, we got it all mounted up, not too bad. Just did some self-tappers along there. I did 5 of them along there. You can see I did some high and some low just to kind of get that whole plate against the wall. He gives you some Velcro here. All you do is mount it up top. I used a self-tapper and a washer on each side. And all you do is just pull that loose. Comes right down. Check it out.